Wow pot stickers out of a vending machine.
How much does it cost?
$9.65. It's gonna make us pot stickers now.
Where does it come out of?
Enjoy. Oh boy. Now preparing. Within 2 hours. What? Where does it come from? What? Enjoy within 2 hours. What is the guy doing in there? Hello?
Tap, heat, eat. So you must have to bring it home and bake it.
No way.
I don't know.
Oh,
Oh,
it's served hot and ready. No, it's ready. Preparing.
oh, maybe they're saying eat it within 2 hours.
I don't know. 1 minute. There's a camera on me. QR code. What? 50 seconds. How does this work? We're getting cinnamon rolls in the morning. Yep. When we get to 10, we're going to count down to 10. Right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pot stickers. Where is it? Oh. Is it really coming out? Grab and go. Grab and go. Caution. Did you just take it? Oh my god.
Is there food in there?
It's hot too. You got some hot pot
right.
stickers. Oh, it's hot. Very hot.
We're gonna go to the room and try it out.
Pot stick.
To be continued.